Not one has died without receiving a special ticket for St. Peter, we call it. Because St. Peter will not let them go in. So we call baptism ticket for St. Peter. We ask the person, do you want a blessing by which your sins will be forgiven and you will see God? And they have never refused. So 29,000 have died in that one house from the time we began the work in 1952. So that is one of our first works of our tender love and care. But it's so beautiful to see the people die with so much joy.
చూసారా ఈమెలో ఎంత మతోన్మాదం ఉందో? చావు బతుకుల మధ్య కొట్టుమిట్టాడుతున్నటువంటి వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళని ఒక రకంగా